All right. Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope everybody is staying safe out there. Man, this is a really messed up situation here. And if anybody's been affected by this, what's going on with this COVID-19, my prayers go out to you, especially if you've lost your job, you're not working, or if you have a family member that has actually um, caught the disease. My blessings do go out to you. And also another thing, I want to appreciate all my subscribers. As you can see, my channel is up here. And I really thank you guys and blessings to you guys. And as far as me, man, here dealing with this stuff, man, I mean, it's crazy, man. I mean, after living here in Chicago all my life and going to the same places and seeing the same things, and now I go out and see all these people with these masks on and gloves on. It's like, man, I feel like I'm in Area 51 or something, right? I mean, when this mask thing first started, when this COVID-19 first, was spreading around, and I went into the bank and I seen all the people standing in line with these masks on. I ran back outside the bank because I thought they was about to get stuck up. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, today I'm gonna go ahead and get right to the point. Today I'm gonna talk about cracked screens. If you read my last video, got a lot of controversy. This video right here, how to fix a crack in the TV screen. I wasn't trying to offend anybody, but obviously people who watched this video actually hated it or they loved it. They were calling me all types of crackheads, and I know what I was talking about. I mean, and I was crazy and stupid, and what else? Oh man, a bunch of stuff, man. And a lot of people actually thought it was actually hilarious, and they loved it, and they said thanks, and they want another one. And so, if you haven't watched the video before, I am not going to spoil it for you. Just go ahead and look at my channel and click it. It's the same video right here. I was actually going to take it down, but I decided, since I had 100,000 views at the time, I said, shit, I ain't taking this video down. But obviously people who watched this video and got upset was because they just broke the TV, obviously, and they were looking for a way to fix their cracked screen. Okay, so they actually broke the screen. And like I said, there is absolutely no way that you can fix a crack in a TV screen. This video is actually a sequel to another video, okay, just so I can break this down to you on how to fix a cracked screen. Let me go back and see if I can find that video. Let's see. Here it is right here. Okay, this video right here. Now this is the video I was actually explaining to people that you cannot fix a cracked TV screen. What did I get? People were telling me, "Oh, that's impossible. My uncle fixes them. You don't know what you're talking about. What good are you? You're supposed to be a TV guy. You can't fix cracked screens." And I'm just gonna say it one more time. If you got a crack in your screen, you damage your screen, you cannot repair the crack in it. It's all one piece. There are different layers inside that actual screen part. Okay, so you have to replace the screen. Now, because of this video, I'm going to go back to my last video here. Let's go back. And this video here, the one that got all the controversy about, I actually tell you in the video at about, let's see, 1 minute and 20 seconds. Let's listen. Okay, just take a listen to what I say here in this video. Oh, well, you can fix a cracked screen, and you know how to do it, and my uncle fixes them, and well, like I said, okay, you see where it says this video, it was actually made for the people from my first video. It was actually made for them, okay, to tee them off, right? Okay. And I actually said in the video, Okay, so that's real fast, real quick. I just want to apologize to anybody that watched the video and they thought I was crazy, and they were really people were really upset. Like, man, I was looking for a way to fix my cracked screen, and I thought this, thought that, and I actually got this idea for this video because I've seen some other videos that were pretty funny. I see one video where a guy cracked this. He's how to fix his TV screen. He cracked it with a. He actually hit it with an axe. Another guy I seen did a video some years ago where actually, his title was how to fix his cracked screen on his TV, and he shows you puts the TV in the driveway and runs it over with his truck, right? So, but anyway, I'm gonna do a positive video today. I'm actually going to show you guys how to actually find a screen replacement for your TV. Okay, so I'm just going to use this as an example. I'm just going to say, okay, we'll go to Google right here, and we'll just put in like, okay, so we got an LG, so we'll put in an LG 50 LN 5400 common TV, right? Common TV, 50 inch LED TV, and we'll put in screen. It says, okay, as you see, it says right here, it pops up already, 50 LN 5400 replacement screen. As you can see, there's nothing that comes up. Okay, we got parts, T-Con boards. Here's the LG display. That's actually for not even for 5400 that you're looking for. It's for looks like it might be a smaller TV, but of course that is not it. Okay, it's like for, let's see if it even tells you. But as you notice, they have a number here. Okay, that is the actual panel number. This number, this LB121S03, that is the actual panel number for this particular TV model. So you cannot look for your TV screen using the model number. Okay, what you're going to have to do is look for the panel number. You're going to have to take the back cover off and look on the back of the inside of the TV, and there will be a sticker with the actual panel number. Okay? Okay, it's like here we have a 50-inch Element TV. Okay, 50-inch LED TV. And as you can see, the model number on here is a ELEFT 502, 50-inch TV, right? Element. Okay. Now, if we go by that and put in TV screen replacement, you're not going to find anything related to a screen. If it is, it's not going to be for this TV at all. They're just going to use the keywords. But to find the actual screen number or panel number, okay, you have to take the back cover off and go to this sticker. Okay, right, it's the back of the TV, right? Okay, the sticker is usually in the upper portion of the back cover, the back of the chassis, and that is where you will find your actual panel number on the sticker. And as you can see, just like the model number, usually the first two numbers of the panel are the size of the TV. So I know about this TV. This number with the barcode on it, don't worry about that number. That is the serial number for the actual panel or screen. The screen is the same thing as the actual LCD panel. Okay, and the number here and a number there. Okay, for me, from my experience, I know that this here is the actual panel or screen number. Okay, and you have to use the exact panel because the TV, the actual screen, comes with the actual driver boards. Okay, so you cannot put a 50-inch Panasonic screen on a 50-inch LG or Samsung. And I don't feel like I can zoom in for you. These boards right here are your driver boards. These are what actually activate your pixels. Okay, it's the best way I can explain it to you, to light up and change colors and whatever. And as you can see with these ribbon connectors right here, this one right here, that's actually bonded into the screen. Okay, so you have to be aware of that. So if you do look for a screen, you have a chance of, you know, and then say you order one, you have to make sure that the driver boards are also good also. So you have to take a chance of that. The screen may not be cracked, but it may have a bad driver board, which would naturally cause the TV to not even show any kind of picture. It just have a lit screen, or you might have some lines or a bar on the screen also. Okay guys, first of all I want to apologize, my screen was cut off kind of short, so I did enlargen it. So this is what we're going to do. On the element we just seen, we're going to put in the model number ELEF. Here we go, right here. I checked it out before. ELEFT 502 LED screen replacement. We'll hit that, and of course we're going to get a bunch of BS. This is for a 15.6 inch TV. You see what I'm saying? You're going to get false information. You're going to get videos, right? And you'll probably see one of my videos on here also, maybe, I don't know. Come down some more. TV parts. Okay, Shop Jimmy does not sell panels. We know that, right? They just sell the boards. Okay, so we really have nothing. Okay, main board, EEPROM, right? Okay, so there's no signs of anybody that has the screen for this particular TV for sale. Now we'll put in the actual panel number, which was V500. Okay, which I have it up already right here. Okay, that is the panel number. Remember, we'll hit that. Okay, we have some BS right here, of course. Screen panel. Okay, well, let's see what this is for. Might get lucky on that one. Okay, this looks like this might be. Is that the same one? That one is a little different. These numbers here are a little different. L001. But as you can see, we're getting close, right? Okay. Now, what you have to be aware of, and this is what kills me, if somebody is selling the screen out of a TV, to me there's something wrong with that picture, because if the screen is good and also the actual screen driver boards are good, why wouldn't you fix the TV? Because that means the only other problem with the TV will be because there's a bad board, a $35 power supply board, a $20 T-Con board, you know, a $65 main board. You see what I'm saying? So it makes no sense why a person would want to just sell a screen out of a perfectly good working, because that's the only way that a TV will be garbage, if the screen is cracked or bad, or the associated driver boards, which are located on the bottom of the screen. So we did make some progress there, correct? And let's see what else here. If I can go back, maybe, can I? Okay, what we get? Okay. And we also have some other ones. I'm not going to click on them, but it looks like these are actually showing you the actual screens. Okay, here's another one. This is the screen, as we can see. All right. So that's how you will actually find a screen for your TV. You cannot use the model number. You have to actually take the board, the back cover off of the TV, and look at the sticker with the panel number, and that's how you search. Now, I'm not saying you're going to get lucky, because you probably are not. And if you do, like I said, be very careful when ordering from a particular company. You know, make sure you do some research on the company. Call them if you can, get in touch with them. Make sure they have the exact one. Make sure it's a good screen. Okay, now here we have another TV. This is a Samsung. Okay, as you can see by the model number here, it's a UN50J5200 AFXZA. Just like before, we cannot use that number to find the actual screen. So we'll take the back off of it and look for the same sticker. And as you can see, once again, the sticker is right over there. And now this one, you can use 2 sets of numbers. There's this number here, like I said, the barcoded number, that is the serial number, so we don't worry about that. Okay, so there's a number here, and there's also a number, looks like right there. Okay, it's a 50, and like I said, the size of the TV is usually indicated by the first 2 numbers. Okay, you see we have a 50 here for a 50-inch panel, and we also have a 50 on this number right here. Okay, we can check those both and see what the availability is on here. Okay, all right, so I did pull it up. Which one were we at? That was the CY50 BNGV2. We'll pull that up, and it looks like that's even talking about a backlight strips. Most of these here, LED backlight strips, backlight strips, backlight strips. So we'll try the other number. Okay, what number was that? That was the 50BAAF60JJ. We'll pull that up, and we got some other BS. Right, this is all we got here. This is PDF. I'm not sure. Yeah, so like I said, you're probably not going to have that much luck with getting these screens by itself. Like I said in the original video, they don't necessarily sell the screens for TVs by themselves, because the name of this game, as far as TV and sales is concerned, is they rather just sell you a whole new TV rather than sell the actual screen. So keep that in mind. If you accidentally crack your TV screen, or breaks, or let's just say one of the driver boards go bad on it, you spilled something inside of the TV through the front, you're just most likely going to have to buy a new TV. But however, this is a, this is a chance that you can take, okay, before you do that and see if your screen is available, is to get the panel number from inside of the actual TV, right? Okay, and you cannot use your heat gun and whatever that word is, epoxy, to fix a crack in the TV screen. If you see any videos like this, please ignore them. I mean, you can watch them if you want to entertain yourself. Please watch them. Feel free to watch mine many times you can and get a few laughs out of it. But otherwise, you would definitely have to find an entire new screen. Okay? So, hey guys, I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Make sure if you got anything good from this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and a like. And make sure that you do subscribe and also hit the notification button. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Big Dog out.